What up, everybody? How you doing? This is Kay, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I will be showing you how to find government contracts in the state of Texas. So, this is for some of you small business owners, entrepreneurs. You have a small business and you're looking to apply or bid for some government contracts in the state of Texas. So, if you're in the state of Texas, I will put the link in the description. This is where you go. All right. So as you can see here on my screen, it's called Texas Smart Buy, Texas Controller of Public Accounts. So so it's legit. Um, so you can look at government contracts without signing in. So that's how it is in Maryland. I don't need to sign in for me to look at contracts. So if you want to bid for them, yes, you can apply, put your business information. That's cool. So to bid for them, you will have to go to, let me see. I just did it. All right. You go to bid posting right here. So let me share the page again. Hold on for a sec. Let me share. All right. So go to share. It brings you to this page right here. So it has all the government agencies, all the government agencies in the state of Texas in any location. All of them right here. City of Abilene, Arlington, Brookside, Burleson, Caldwell, every city. So if you live in Houston, city of Houston, where is Houston? So they don't have Houston. Huh, that's strange. All right, let's keep going. So city of Paris, Portland, San Antonio. So Waco, they have all that in there, right? Then they have everybody. Let me see if they have Houston here. Okay, they have Houston, Houston. So every agency in the state of Texas, they have Lamar University. Every city, every agency, government agency is right here. All right. Then you look at what is posted. You can look at that. The date that it started, something that was posted this month. So I'll prefer to do this month. So let's click search because it's a lot. It's a lot. So look, almost 500 results founded. Let me see if I can increase this screen a little bit. Hold on. All right, there you go. Perfect. So you can see they have face shields, renovation, medical gowns. You just check it. You click on it, bid for it, then supply them with medical gowns. Whoo, that's an easy contract. Employee engagement survey. Create a survey for who? Let's see who. Okay, we have to look at the document. The request for what's it called again? I forgot what it's called. Request for purchase, yeah. All right, let's see. Let's keep going down. Kitchen equipment, school cafeteria. So this is probably a school or university. HVAC for El Paso, lease property search, printer. So they might request for 100 printers, 3D printers, or one big 3D printer. So you have to go out and find a 3D printer, turn in your your proposal and or your cost sheet, or everywhere they use different names for it. Look at this one right here. Ain't this crazy? Carrot cake cookies. Oh God, this is a government contract. So if you're a caterer and you cook and you have your license and you're certified, this is a great contract for you. Box office ticketing solutions. I don't know what that is. We're not going to click on them because it's going to take me to another screen. I'm just going to show you the various types of contracts that are available in Texas. All right. So we have a fingerprint portrait station lease. Storm drain cleaning. Let's keep looking. All right. So let's go to the second page. So this is the same way it is in Maryland. This is how I found my government contract in the state of Maryland. So there's a whole bunch of this. There's a whole bunch. Like you are not even whatever field you're in, you're gonna find something. Look, legal counsel, if you're an attorney, you know, office supplies. What else? Engineering right here. Maintenance there. Plastic bowls. Come on. Solar panels. So people traffic solar panels. Traffic cameras. These are for the big guys. Let's see. Jeep Gladiator. All right, let's go one more page and I'll open up an RFP. All right, so let's go. Travel accommodation data, travel data management analytic, I-9 and E-Verify application. I mean, hazardous waste disposal. I mean, people that are in this business know what to do when it comes to all these men's Reebok basketball shoes. The government will pay for a lot of things. Water heaters. Request to provide staffing. So if you know how to do staffing, this is for you. You know. So that's all. I mean, it's more mentoring program. That's for me. I can do that. But now here's the thing: they might ask you to. You might need to be clinical, like a licensed social worker. So you just have to read it. So let me look at this one. Let me see if that's for me. Let's see if that's for your good old boy K, right? So I'm gonna stop screen again. Present. All right, let's see. So they have the solicitation number, contact name. So if I want to ask a question, so this is due at 1:30. What day? On the 11th of next month. So what you do is look at, if you fit. So these are the classifications. When you register, you have to put all your classifications in there. So when they send this out, you can get it. So now I'll click on this. All right. This is the RFP. So I will open it up. Hold on real quick. So you open up the RFP. Hold on. It's a lot, right? I mean, it's not really a lot, but. So let me stop it again. All right. Now, we are looking at the RFP for the mentoring. Oh, crap. I can't see this. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, it's not showing up on the screen. But all right, let's just go back to that. So that's how you do it. So you just click on the attachment and read it, and whatever the request is, you submit your documents. You might have to write a proposal. Sometimes some cities will have you sign up for their own procurement. This is for the state, right? So this one is for the whole state. Some cities have their own website that you just have to click and sign up. They want to make sure that you're a registered business within the state, that you are licensed, certified, whatever it is, before they can even allow you to bid for the contract. So some cities, small jurisdictions, they might want you to come to like a meeting, pre bid meeting. They might want you to come present something to them. Like 2 days ago, like last week, I had to do a presentation to a school, and it's not just me, it was a few others that we had to do this presentation. So that's how you that's how you apply for government contracts in the state of Texas. So I'll put the link in the description. If you're looking to apply, go ahead and take a look at it, have fun with it. Just search, okay, for any type of business that you're looking for. It's there. Okay. And I know in the state of Texas it's big, so you will find something. All right. So guys, have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll be back again with more content. 2023 is the year of making money. All right. 2023 is the year of becoming better, our better selves. All right. Whatever goes on online, it has nothing to do with what goes on in the real world. In the real world, we're here to make money. Money, 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 money. Peace.